This is an action camera from Akaso Brave 7 LE. This is a company which is not much known in India because this I've got from US and it is available in US Amazon market. I think nowadays it's available even in Indian Amazon. This is how the box looks, and what's inside the box is mentioned on the top of that. So this is the action camera kit which I have purchased from US. I think in India, Amazon it is retailing for around 25,000 rupees, I guess. And this is the SanDisk 64 gigabit SD card, which is U3 standard, which is capable of recording 4K videos. Yeah. So that is what I'm trying to show. This is just to show what are all the things I've purchased, and this is Ulanzi tripod cum selfie stick. This can develop as a selfie stick as well. This is pretty small and this is very useful for your action camera. You can easily take it out and put it in your backpack or bag and just hold it like that. It's not long. If you want to pull it out and make it a selfie, then it is possible. I'll show all that in my next video.